Pag kailangan mo ng cash, saan ka huhugot? Kay TikTok Cash Loan or kay Shopee S Loan? Sa Lazada Fast Cash Credit, na-try mo na ba? So, for today's video, sisilipin natin sa Lazada Fast Cash Credit and see if sulit ba siya compared sa ibang mga cash loans. So, if this is something that you're interested in, then please stay and tapusin ang video na ito. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and upload videos about personal finance, work from home stuff, and also snippets into my life. Now, just a quick disclosure also, hindi po ako professional financial advisor and the content that I share is based lamang sa aking personal experience, opinion, and for awareness. Okay, so what is Lazada Fast Cash? It is basically a quick cash loan service within Lazada. So, kagaya lang din siya kay TikTok Cash Loan at saka kay Shopee S Loan wherein integrated na siya or naka-embed na siya within the app itself. So, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap somewhere else, maghanap ng iba pang Ola or mag-download and install ng iba pang app. Sa Lazada app na mismo, pwede kang mag-loan anytime once na-approve ka kay Lazada Fast Cash Credit. So, this is perfect for Lazada users. They practically target mga regular Lazada users who may be short on cash. Now, si Lazada Fast Cash Credit is different from Lazada Pay Later. Kasi sa Lazada Pay Later, you can only use it to purchase mga gamit sa Lazada itself. Pero sa Lazada Fast Cash Credit, pwede mo siyang i-withdraw and i-transfer yung pera to a different platform, to another bank account or to another e-wallet. Pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit saan. It's basically good as cash. Pero, same lang din kay TikTok Cash Loan at saka kay Shopee S Loan, hindi po siya automatically available for everyone. May mga internal checks silang ginagawa to look into your spending pattern, the regular use of the app, to check on your eligibility. So, yun nga, hindi po siya available for everyone agad-agad. So, kailangan mong gamitin yung Lazada app mo regularly. And in most cases, I think kailangan mo munang magkaroon ng Lazada Pay Later bago ka ma-offera ng Lazada Fast Cash Credit. So, if meron ka ng Lazada Pay Later, just make sure to take care of that para madali kang ma-offeran ng Lazada Fast Cash Credit. So, how to apply? Punta lang kayo sa Lazada app, tapos go to account, and then look for LazFin, and you should see there Lazada Fast Cash Credit. So, magkano nga ba ang pwede mong utangin dito kay Lazada Fast Cash Credit? Actually, you can loan as much as 80,000 pesos. Sobrang laki na din yun. So, here, merong activate button. So, click lang natin tong activate dito. So, instant withdrawal and payable pa siya for up to 12 months. And then here, why fast cash? Ang interest nila would range from 0.1%, tapos 2-minute approval, and then instant withdrawal. We have to verify our phone number. And also, kailangan din natin mag-provide ng government ID. And also, we need to take a selfie for verification. So, ito yung amount na na-approve sa akin. 20,000 pesos. Once na-approve na yung credit limit mo, meron silang minimum amount na pwede mong i-loan or i-withdraw. And the minimum amount is 2,500 pesos, as you can see here. So, 2,500. So, ilagay natin dyan. The only installment options or plans available ay 2 months or 3 months. Pag 3 months yung pipiliin natin, it says here, yung monthly repayment is gonna be 983 pesos, 0.34 cents. And then, kasama na dyan yung monthly interest na 150 pesos. So, by the way, the interest fee is around 6% dito kay Lazada Fast Cash Credit, which is actually higher. Mas mataas siya compared kay Shopee S Loan. Yung Shopee S Loan ko parang nasa 4% lang siya if you have checked my previous video. And then, yes, mas mataas siya because it's 6%, pero mas mataas pa rin yung interest na binigay sa akin ni TikTok Cash Loan. So, si Shopee S Loan yung pinaka-best option ko sa tatlo in terms of mababang interest. And then, sumunod si Lazada Fast Cash. And then, third ay si TikTok Cash Loan. Parang nasa 9% yata yung pinapatong nila sa akin. But, take note po, yung monthly interest na kino-quote ko po, depende po yan. It's not the same for everyone. That's gonna be based on each individual person's profile. So, pwedeng mas mataas sa inyo or pwedeng mas mababa sa inyo compared sa akin. Alright, and then from there, dito sa baba, you can actually see na yung lender partner na nag-grant ng aking loan through Lazada, I see Atomy PH loan. Click on or tick the box, tapos withdraw mo na. Okay, so diba earlier it says 2 minutes lang siya. So loan application, hang on, 99% will get the result within 5 minutes. And sure enough, less than 5 minutes, nakuha ko na yung result. Ayan. Parang nagpa-backtrack ako no kasi nakita nyo na kanina na approve na ako for 20,000 pesos. Pag nag-withdraw na kayo, it's gonna ask you whether you want to get it through the e-wallet, yung built-in e-wallet, Lazada e-wallet, or you can actually select the bank option, the bank account or the e-wallet option. Pero from here, you still have to do another verification. So here, ito na yung next na page. Account verification in progress. So after you have verified your Lazada wallet, automatic na madidisburse yung amount na niloan nyo doon sa Lazada wallet. And then from there, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer to another bank account or to an e-wallet. Now, hindi ko naman talaga intention na kunin ito, pero I just wanted to give it a try kasi marami ako nababasa na hindi siya agad-agad nagre-reflect, like hindi siya agad-agad natatransfer or nagiging available yung credit. So, sinubukan ko, pero yun na nga, may minimum sila na 2,500. Gusto ko lang sanang kunin 500. So, yun. So, I took it out. I completed the withdrawal, and I'm glad to say, I'm happy to tell you na pumasok siya sa GCash account ko immediately. So, real time naman pala. Siguro yung ibang mga nabasa ko, yung mga nag-share ng experiences na like it took like a day or two bago pumasok sa kanilang account. Siguro it has something to do with processing kasi meron din ako nabasa it could take up to 3 days. Pero yung sa akin naman, immediate lang naman. So, set lang natin yung expectations nyo ha. It may actually be credited real time, but there are instances that it could actually take a day or two, or actually up to 3 days bago mag-reflect doon sa other account nyo po. Here's what's cool about Lazada Fast Cash Credit. Mahaba yung kanyang repayment schedule up to 12 months, pero depende po yun sa amount na kukunin nyo. As you have seen kanina, I selected yung pinaka mababa, yung minimum amount na ina-allow nila for the loan, and yung 2,500 na amount, dalawang payment plan lang yung binigay nila, 2 months or 3 months. So that means mas higher yung limit or mas higher yung amount, then mas mahaba yung pwedeng installment plan schedule na ibigay nila sa iyo. In terms of interest, okay na yung interest rate nila. Sa akin, 6% yung monthly interest, and compared sa ibang mga Ola and mga loan sharks out there, sobrang okay na to. Very reasonable na. Imagine, yung iba nga, 'di ba, parang nasa 15 to 20% yung patong nila per month. So, this is a very decent monthly interest. Mas mataas na siya ng kaunti kay Shopee S-Loan, pero mas better to compared kay TikTok Cash Loan. Another thing that I liked about it is fast processing. Mabilis ko lang siyang na-activate and mabilis ko lang din siyang na-withdraw. Also, nag-reflect yung pera immediately doon sa GCash wallet ko. So yes, when I transferred it, I selected GCash na option. And if you're wondering how you could pay it, madali lang din. You can pay it using your e-wallet, GCash, or pwede ring mag-bank transfer. Alright, so final thoughts. Para sa akin, well, maganda siya if kailangan mo ng mabilisang cash. And especially kung active Lazada user ka talaga. Pero kung hindi naman urgent yung pangangailangan mo ng pera, or if you have other option elsewhere na may mas mababang monthly interest, edi i-consider mo muna yon bago ito. But overall, napaka-convenient na to gamitin. Sobrang ganda, especially if you are a regular Lazada user talaga. Kasi all-in-one app na siya. And compared sa ibang mga cash loan offers, this is definitely one of the legit and marirecommend ko. Kasi napaka lang ng interest niya, very reasonable lang. 6% lang yung monthly interest niya compared sa iba na umaabot ng mga 15 to 30% per month. So, if you have this option, definitely go ka na dito. Pero if you still have other options aside from this, then good for you. So, yeah. Let me know kung nagamit nyo na rin sa Lazada Fast Cash and alin yung mas preferred nyo sa tatlo. Si Tekto Cash Loan, si Shopee S Loan, or si Lazada Fast Cash Credit. And if you are still here and you like what you see, then don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Also, paki-share na rin po ito to someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for your time and I will see you in the next one. Bye!